Are you assuming your spouse is playing fair in your divorce? Think again. Here are 7 dirty divorce tricks they may be playing on you, and they could cost you everything unless you know how to spot them. Let me tell you about a recent client, a smart and successful marketing executive who came to me devastated. Their spouse had suddenly filed for divorce and was pushing for a quick settlement. Their spouse insisted that they keep everything amicable and avoid lawyers. But something didn't sit right with my client, who felt very rushed by their spouse to get this thing over with as quickly and quietly as possible. Now, when this client decided to consult with me, we uncovered that their spouse had been hiding significant assets and was eager to finalize the divorce before my client could discover them. Thanks to my client's intuition and timely legal advice provided by us, we were able to protect their interests and ensure a fair settlement. Now, unfortunately, my client's experience isn't unique. In Georgia and elsewhere, some spouses employ very underhanded tactics during divorce proceedings. So here are 7 dirty tricks to watch out for. First, delaying the divorce process. Some spouses intentionally stall the divorce process to wear you down emotionally and financially. They might avoid responding to communications, miss court dates, or refuse to sign documents. This tactic aims to pressure you into agreeing to unfavorable terms just to end the ordeal. In Georgia, courts can impose deadlines and sanctions to prevent such stalling. Second tactic, rushing the divorce. Conversely, a spouse might try to push for a rapid settlement to prevent you from uncovering hidden assets or understanding the full implications of the agreement that you're signing. They may present it as a way to save time and money, but it's often just a ploy to conceal information. Ensure that you have a clear understanding of all marital assets before agreeing to any terms of your divorce. The third tactic is hiding assets or income. So a common tactic involves concealing assets to reduce the amount subject to division. This can include transferring money to friends or family, undervaluing property, or not disclosing certain income sources. So in Georgia, both parties are required to provide full financial disclosures if you ask for them. If you suspect hidden assets, a forensic accountant can help uncover them. Fourth tactic is inflating debts or expenses. So to minimize support obligations, a spouse might exaggerate debts or expenses. They could claim false expenses to take on unnecessary debts to appear financially burdened. Courts in Georgia assess the legitimacy of claimed debts and can adjust support accordingly. Fifth tactic is alienating children against the other parent. This is a really nasty one. Some parents attempt to turn the children against the other parent to gain custody advantages. This manipulation can be subtle, like making negative comments, or overt, like restricting visitation. Georgia courts consider the best interests of the children and may penalize parents who engage in such behavior. Tactic number 6 is making false accusations. So in extreme cases, a spouse might make unfounded allegations of abuse or misconduct to gain leverage. These claims can have serious legal implications if you're the victim of this kind of abuse. It's crucial to document all interactions and seek legal counsel immediately if you're faced with false allegations. Seventh tactic is misusing custody to reduce support. So a spouse might seek increased custody not out of genuine interest in the child's well-being and spending time with them, but just to simply lower child support payments to the other spouse. Georgia courts scrutinize custody arrangements to ensure that they serve the child's best interests and not just financial motivations. So navigating divorce is challenging, especially when faced with deceitful tactics. It's essential to stay informed and seek professional guidance. If you're encountering any of these issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you through every step of the process. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, and follow, and turn on the alerts so you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. And please share these videos and leave us comments and ask us questions. Also, join our Facebook group, Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.